Okay, here we are again. I had plugged this tire on my 65th birthday and it held, but all of a sudden now lately it's losing air again. So I found out that the sensor, had a sensor saying it was the front tire when I had it on the rear. So today I'm trying to change them all to the right place. Well, this is that plug I put in. So what I did was I got the soapy water and I go around here and it's not this plug. So that plug's holding very well. Plug's holding very well. So I start spraying the soapy water around on the tire. That's also a plug I put in. As you know, I'm around a lot of different sites. I carry screws. So what happens is sometimes I get screws in my tires. So that's why I keep a plug kit. But now I come here and look what I found. That's where it's leaking. That's an easy way to identify where it's leaking. I was taking the tire off anyway, and I've had to fill it up with air a couple more times. Couldn't figure out where it was. But now I have, because I'm rotating my tires. And the thing of it is this is, I believe, another old plug. So I've got like 3 plugs in this tire already. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it and plug the tire again, because I will keep plugging them till they're bald. All right, let me get my tire kit out. Okay, so you know the reason for putting this in. Put it in, you spin it to get the belts out of the way. This has already had a plug in it previously. So they're all out of the way. I didn't feel anything. Now you get your plug set ready to go. Then you pull this out and you push the other one in. All right, let me do it. Well, this one in nice and easy. Push it all the way in. Okay, then you can use this to hold the plug down while you pull it out. Okay, that comes out, leaves your plug. It's a little long. Your kit should have a razor blade in it or some type of knife, and if not, then put one in so that you can cut this. Even you don't want it to get stuck on something and pull the plug out. So I cut them off. Okay, now let's try the soap again. Okay. All right, it's sealed this time. All right, I'm gonna put it back on the truck. And that's your way to find a leak and then plug your tire. I have a lot of plugs in this tire, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep plugging them every chance I get. This still has plenty of tread on it, so I'm not worried about it. I'm not gonna buy new tires till I have to. All right, build them with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up. All right, see you on the next one.